about to poop on myself trying to put
This
some power behind it.
Put your mercy. You got mercy brakes on?
They on now.
It's up high enough to do something, but it ain't gonna go enough. It ain't gonna go high enough for
that ramp
to put it on the ramp.
Nope. It sounds like it's already getting ready to fall down.
This thing down, man.
Yeah, it ain't gonna work. What's going on, YouTube? Hope you guys doing well. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna change the oil in Temple. If you guys watched my last video, then you guys know that I needed to get an oil change because I bought the car from someone. My dad, my brother, and I did it. I was gonna do it myself, but my dad didn't want me to get up under the car and do all that kind of stuff. So I know how to do it, but they helped me out, and we had a hard time getting the car jacked up and everything. So sorry if this video is all over the place, but here's the footage of that and another mod just came in the mail. And so it's really simple, and I'll probably do that later on today, and you'll probably see it in this video as well. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I'm getting ready to drive it right now.
Might be a little out of order, but magic of editing.
Man, that thing tight. Sucker.
It's gonna shoot out.
See, loose.
Yay. Just filming from the sidelines with a cramp in my toe.
It's all you. Did that go inside?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you go inside, I'm not gonna let you do this.
No, it's alright, bro. Go ahead.
Sure.
Yeah, go
I
ahead.
see nothing.
I know. I'll pour the oil in there.
That's fine. I did that with B.
And I'll try to put the filter back on, maybe. I'll just start it and then you can finish it up.
See, right there like that.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Thing black.
Good God, some black oil, boy. How long is it gonna drain?
Not like that. You flip that thing around there so you can get to it.
You already like that.
That way possible you won't spill nothing.
Buddha.
I guess we're having a rap battle.
The next day.
Hey Siri. Pause. What's going on, YouTube? It is a new day, as you can see, and the sun is right in my face. But anyways, I told you guys I had another mod coming in the mail, and they are here. Hold on, let me put my headphone in this car so I don't lose it. There we go. Alright, so I bought these to go on the car. You can't really tell. There you go. So I got the factory Scat Pack rims on the car now, and I'm trying to find some OEM Hellcat rims. I don't want the replicas, like I want the actual Hellcat rims. And so I've been trying to find some. There's certain ones that I want, and I know it's gonna take some really good searching to find them. So, but right now I'm just gonna put these on here. They're gonna go right there. Go ahead, clean the wheels off with my Dawn. Don't judge me, alright? Judge yourself. I'm ready to put these on here right now. Alright y'all, so I got the first one on, and this is how it looks. Looks pretty cool. Alright y'all, so I'm finished. Here is the finished project. I didn't think y'all could see it for real. There it is, man. Looks good. That yellow and red really talking. Now, that's giving y'all some hints. Let me show y'all the other side. Giving y'all some hints on the wrap I'm probably gonna put on. But to me, it'll pop more if the wheels were black. But yeah, I really like it. So I'm working on some other mods of the car, but here's like the walk around. This is Temple, y'all. This is terrible right now because I'm at home and I'm not trying to show y'all too much, but here he is. So oop, that might be the thumbnail. Alright y'all, so like I said, those are the mods. This is the end of the video. I'm gonna be doing some more stuff, some more cosmetic stuff to him. I ordered my wicker bill. I ordered some other stuff that's gonna be a surprise. And yeah, I can't wait to put this stuff on and show you guys. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of motivation before I ended the video completely. If you're watching this video and you don't have a Scat Pack or Hellcat or RT or Challenger or whatever car that you want, if you want Dodge, if you want a Camaro, whatever car you want, if you don't have it, just know that me getting this car is proof to you that you can get it as well. God can do anything that you want him to do, that you ask him to do, as long as you have faith and you believe in him and you work hard. I'm gonna get the YouTube banner that goes up here. gonna try to get one for the back as well. I actually already ordered one and I'm waiting for it to come in so I can see. I'm sweating because it's hot out here, y'all. But yeah, like I said, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you got something out of it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I don't have an outro yet. I'm working on it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.